What is the use of elastic IP? Are they charged by AWS? Answer: these are IPv4 address which are used to connect the instance from Internet. They are charged if the instances are not attached to it. Is it possible to reduce EBS volume? Answer: no, it's not possible. We can increase it but not reduce them. One of my S3's bucket is deleted, but I need to restore. Is there any possible way? Answer: if versioning is enabled, we can easily restore them. When I try to launch an EC2 instance, I am getting service limit exceed. How to fix the issue? Answer: by default, AWS offers service limit of 20 running instances per region. To fix the issue, we need to contact AWS support to increase the limit based on the requirement. I need to modify the EBS volumes in Linux and Windows. Is it possible? Answer: yes, it's possible. From console, use modify volumes in section, give the size you need, then for Windows go to disk management, for Linux mount it to achieve the modification. Is it possible to stop a RDS instance? How can I do that? Answer: yes, it's possible to stop RDS instance which are non-production and non-multi-AZs. What is meant by parameter groups in RDS? And what is the use of it? Answer: since RDS is a managed service, AWS offers a wide set of parameter in RDS as parameter group which is modified as per requirement. What is the use of tags and how they are useful? Answer: tags are used for identification and grouping AWS resources. I am viewing an AWS console but unable to launch the instance. I receive an IAM error. How can I rectify it? Answer: as AWS user, I don't have access to use it. I need to have permissions to use it further. I don't want my AWS account to be exposed to users. How can I avoid it? Answer: in IAM console, there is option as sign in URL where I can rename my own account name with AWS account. By default, how many elastic IP address does AWS offer? Answer: 5 elastic IP per region. You are enabled sticky session with ELB. What does it do with your instance? Answer: binds the user session with a specific instance. Which type of load balancer makes routing decisions at either the transport layer or the application layer and supports either EC2 or VPC? Answer: classic load balancer. Which is virtual network interface that you can attach to an instance in a VPC? Answer: elastic network interface. You have launched a Linux instance in AWS EC2. While configuring security group, you have selected SSH, HTTP, HTTPS protocol. Why do we need to select SSH? Answer: to verify that there is a rule that allows traffic from EC2 instance to your computer. You have chosen a Windows instance with Classic and you want to make some change to the security group. How will these changes be effective? Answer: changes are automatically applied to Windows instances. You have an EC2 instance that has an unencrypted volume. You want to create another encrypted volume from this unencrypted volume. Which of the following steps can achieve this? Answer: create a snapshot of the unencrypted volume, applying encryption parameters, copy the snapshot and create a volume from the copied snapshot. Where does the user specify the maximum number of instances with the auto-scaling commands? Answer: auto-scaling launch config. Which are the types of AMI provided by AWS? Answer: instance store backed, EBS backed. 20. After configuring ELB, you need to ensure that the user requests are always attached to a single instance. What setting can you use? Answer: sticky session.